morning guys, welcome back to another video. Happy Tuesday. Right now it is about to be 8 o'clock. I just got to work, but this morning, as you guys saw, I went to my morning running class at 5:30. I feel good, extremely sore, but I think I did a personal record this time. I did almost 3.5 miles today, so I feel really proud of myself. But this class that I went this morning is just strictly on the treadmill. There's certain classes where you have to get off and do workouts on the floor, so that's why my miles was good today. Today is a very busy day for me, and I thought, why not just take you guys along. I am only working a half day, so I'm gonna get off at 12, but it should go pretty fast because a little update with work. The office lease ends in mid-November, and so I've been in charge of looking for new office spaces to move into, so that's kind of exciting. And booked a couple of tours today, so there's one at 10 o'clock and then another one at 11 o'clock, so back-to-back tours, and it's just like down the street from us, not too far. I'm excited to see these new office spaces. They're co-working spaces / share spaces, so you just basically rent a private office room and then everybody shares like the kitchen area, the lounge, the restroom. That way it just saves us more money. There's only like 5 to 7 of us in the office, and this office is just way too big. The rent is crazy, so that's why we are looking for a more affordable place. And this is like so millennial. The offices are really nice, fully furnished. That is basically what I'm going to be doing at work today, so it should go by really fast. And then after work I have my dentist appointment at 1, and then I have another doctor's appointment at 2:45 to do a little, sorry my phone is flashing. I have another doctor's appointment today at 2:45 to do a skin allergy test, just to see like what I'm allergic to, because I've never really done that before. And then after that, Christine wanted to treat me out for a mani and a pedi today for like a little early birthday gift celebration. I definitely need it, much need it, because my nails look crazy. They were growing out for a good hot minute, and then literally 2 days ago I broke one nail, and if I break one nail, all the nails needs to be cut off. So they're like kid hands, they're super short, that's okay, but my toes are looking busted. Okay, I am back home. I did a quick shower and change because I was extremely sweaty touring those places. We actually ended up touring 3 office spaces. I really like the second one. I didn't really film at all because we were just busy talking and she was showing us around, and I was in the moment, you know? My dentist appointment is in half an hour, so I'm just snacking on some fresh cut watermelon that Alexander got from Costco. It is perfect for it right now because it is so hot outside. It was like 2.5 hours of touring, and my coworker Mohammed, I think, is going to look at 2 other places, but I had to leave, so good options, but the second place is the best one. I really like that one. I'm gonna munch on this watermelon and head to the dentist appointment. Okay, I just finished the dentist. I'm parked at home. Oh, I hear some thunderstorms. It is getting cloudy. It was so sunny earlier, and then now it's so cloudy. I think it's going to rain. Crap, how am I supposed to walk the dogs? Okay, I gotta walk the dogs like right now before it starts raining. But I want to give you guys a quick update on my dentist appointment. Oh my god, let me tell you, the dentist office was so extremely nice. everybody there was so sweet, so nice, and all of them were complimenting on my tattoo. But anyways, they just make you feel so comfortable, so at home. And the dentist himself, he is so detailed and explaining about every little thing about my teeth, and was just very hands-on, and I really like that dentist office. He said, oh my god, you are blessed with amazing teeth. Your teeth are perfect. He only sees one slight small cavity, and he said you shouldn't worry about that cavity. All you need to do is start flossing every single day, and that cavity is not going to go away, but it's not going to get any bigger if you floss your teeth. And he said my wisdom teeth, he said it's very rare to have patients that have all of their teeth. And I'm like, wow, I didn't know that. So I'm one of a kind. I'm just kidding. But yeah, he said all of my teeth are good. I still have all my wisdom teeth. As small of a mouth that I have, I still have a lot of space in the back for my wisdom teeth and to clean around it. But yes, I have a small mouth, but I have a lot of space in my mouth. I got a new mouth guard that should be ready for me to pick up on Thursday. Costed me a good amount of money. Insurance didn't cover it, but that's okay. I know this is gonna last me years and years to come. And I had a skin allergy appointment today at 2:45, but they called me and said we need to reschedule because they don't have the materials for it right now. So that's gonna be rescheduled until next Wednesday, which is fine by me. Yeah, I just woke up from a nice nap. I slept for about a little over an hour. Much needed since I've been awake since 4:30 in the morning, and today has just been a long day. But I just fed the dogs. Right now it is a 5:10. I'm gonna be heading out here in a bit. Gonna go pick up Christine and then go get our nails and toes done. I'm so excited. Nails and toes are gonna look so cute for my birthday. Alright, back home. It is, I think 9:30. I've been out pretty much all day for the most part. But yeah, my nails are done. I really like this color. I don't know, what would you call this? Like a champagne, glittery, it's like shimmers. I thought this was really fun. Here are my toes. Little foot action going on. But yeah, really pretty color. Showered, did my skincare routine, and I am gonna hit the bed. I feel so tired, and the boys are so rowdy right now. It's bedtime. Shh. Quiet. Quiet. Alright guys, I am going to end this video here. 3 more days until my birthday. I am excited. That will be a fun vlog. I can't wait to show you guys. I'm going to end this vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And I will see you guys very, very soon. Bye.